I'm sure most of you have heard of our Tabasco pepper sauces, but for all you manufacturers out there, we have 4 great dried options for you. We have our Processors Blend, which is the skins and the seeds from the Tabasco peppers. We also have a crushed red pepper, and this is a dried version of the Processors Blend. We also have a dry red pepper flavouring, and this is the ground up version of the skins and the seeds. Now these products are 10 times hotter than Tabasco pepper sauce and perfect in manufacturing. And for you people out there who are involved in snacks and seasonings, we also have our spray dried version of Tabasco sauce. It's got all that great flavour of the sauce, but in a dry format. So if you need any more information, please contact us and we'll give you everything you need to know.